Okay, hi, good evening everyone. I'm back again. Right. Okay. Yun. So, we are live today because I would like to let everyone inform that we will be having a Zoom webinar tonight. It's it's partly trading plan, doing a risk management, and partly it's really important also incorporate or associate everything with the trading plan if you are doing a risk management um, part of your plan as well. That's very important kasi without the risk management, I don't think that you're really gonna be able to like know where you're heading as well. Sa target natin sa Forex natin or your plans in Forex. So tonight, 8 p.m. Lang ha. Okay. So tonight at 8 p.m. kita-kita tayo sa Zoom. Ayun na, meron na dyan sa live stream natin. Meron na nakalagay na link for our Zoom. And don't forget to join. And we'll see what we can give tonight. yeah, why not? Like lucky winner of 250 pesos Gcash. That will do. That would help. Okay, importante talaga na may risk management tayo. And of course, I might do a little bit of what I am planning tonight sa trade. We'll see. Baka makapag-simulate tayo ng actual. Let me just look at right now where the market is heading. And of course, we have to also consider fundamental. Let me just go ahead and pull up the fundamental. There you go. All right. Shoutout pala sa XRP Army guys and the technical analysis GC din natin. And lahat ng nagfa-follow ngayon, thank you. Don't forget guys na there will be a news at 8:30 tonight. Meron tayong news and then 9:15 as well sa USD. So we'll be expecting a little bit of a movement and the opening of New York session. Well, the topic tonight is really part of it is a trading plan talaga. I really like to stress it out, and then associated with the risk management. Right after there will be two. At the start, I'll be doing a little bit of a presentation on the PowerPoint about the trading plan, and I'm gonna show you my my personal trading plan when I do place a trade. How I calculate things. I want to make sure that my fund is able to survive and cannot be blown out and able to recover. That's the only thing in Forex. Dalawa lang naman. Kung wala kang plano and you don't know what are your future positions and things that you have to consider, posible lang na dalawa lang yun, mawa-wipe out ka or you'll just able to recover after you learn from those mistakes. So I don't think I call it losses. I much more prefer calling it learning. So yun lang naman yung importante. Learning. Right? Learning things out. Alright. One of my favorite traders already live. Okay. So 8 p.m. po ha, huwag niyong kalimutan 8 p.m. Our webinar will start. So bring in your friends, your loved ones, anybody that would like to know more about Forex trading. Partly, you can also use this on your crypto trading and whichever platform you're doing it. Like, come on. There's no difference at all. Magkakaiba lang siguro yung itsura ng where you place your trades and everything, but the the management, the trading, the risk management, and the trading plan, it's just all the same, no? So, wala namang pinagbago. Wala namang magkaiba doon. Okay, guys, just stay tuned. Just stay with me until we start our webinar. Again, wala po itong, it's all for free. And by the way, on Friday, I'll do an MT4 navigation. So, the same time, 8 p.m. And then the last webinar will be more onto, I think, I have two more Wednesday. Tatlong. I think I only have one more Wednesday to go for special courses. I can do like, we can do a simulation on the last, rather than doing a webinar, we can do a simulation like a trade. Let's do a trade if it's possible. I'm gonna do a trade, actual simulation, spot trading. That's all. Then we'll discuss what happened and what would be the possible move of the market. Spot trading tayo, guys. Maybe on the last part of the special course. Don't forget to share or at least invite anyone. I'm checking some. Right. I'm reading a little bit of some ideas right now for gold. And I have a possible position for gold tonight there as well. Yan ko na lang. So 30 pips and 40 pips for sell. I'll explain to you guys why I am having place pending positions for that, and I already did calculate it onto my existing account that already has a floating trade, so I think that would help. Right. Kumusta naman po kayong lahat dyan, no? Just like today, I don't feel well. I don't know what's going on. Parang there's something na hindi ko alam. I don't feel good talaga since this morning. And yeah, just for precautionary ano lang, nag-take na rin ako ng lingwa. Malay mo, diba? Di natin alam. At least, all right, few more minutes to go before 8. Don't forget to join. It's don't worry, Sir Mark. In the technical analysis group chat, you'll be able to catch up naman. Yeah, just drive safely, keep safe, and huwag kayong magmadali. Yung mga nasa labas pa, pauwi pa lang, huwag kayong magmadali. Guys, I can wait. I can wait. And we have, I'll be posting a recording on this. Okay, so 5 more minutes, and I'll be going to click and start the Zoom meeting. Don't forget to Okay. Alright guys, so it's already 8 p.m. and sa lahat ng nakasubaybay sa live, the live stream or the Zoom link is nasa ano natin, sa live stream natin. You just have to click the see more and just directly join the webinar. And I might be giving away, I don't know. Depende. Hindi ko sasabihin sa live. If you're gonna be joining, then might be one, or you might be the lucky one that might get something, a little for tonight, no? So, mag-out na ako sa live stream. Thank you so much for following and sharing our live. Then sa Facebook and YouTube natin, nagsa-simultaneous na ako. As mentioned, if ever we reach to the point that our YouTube will really starts to kick out, then the proceeds, or if ever we reach to the point that it's gonna gain monetary, I already decided somebody or a foundation that will also have a share of the monetary that we will be receiving. Thank you so much for supporting. So like and share lang po. It's not about just like and share for my personal thing, but during this pandemic, I really wanted to stretch out or help out people that need help. Okay, so marami na tayo sa Zoom. Thank you for joining. Anybody, you can still invite your friends, anyone who would like to know more about trading plan and risk management. I suggest that you can bring in those people, your friends, your loved ones that are curious of what you're doing every night, holding your gadget. Minsan, hindi na kayo natutulog. And minsan, hindi na kumakain. Dahil focus na focus sa pag-trade. So, guys, bring them in so they can understand you more about what you're doing. And they can support you all the way. Okay, let me just go ahead and cut the live stream. There you go. Nawala na naman yung natin yung sa view docs. Give me a minute here, guys. But anyways, end of live. And alright, how are you tonight, everyone? Magandang gabi po sa lahat na nandito sa Zoom. How are you doing, everyone? Kumusta ang trading natin? How is it going? When we had a news impact last night, I also I did a Zoom after the news last night, no? Marami ding nakasali dun sa Zoom natin. Thank you. Lalo na sa group natin na always na nagsumusubaybay, yung mga crypto friends natin, crypto trader friends natin. Thank you. Sky Alliance team, thank you so much, guys, for supporting. And of course, I'd like to remind everyone, when if you wish to continue and proceed trading, forex trading, and you have to really choose the right partner for this decision, and that is where you have to really choose Sky Alliance. Kasi nga with Sky Alliance, guys, it's way different, and based on the experience ko, si Sky Alliance is always there. I don't have any problems encountered at all. From the support, from the queries, questions and concerns, andyan sila 24/7. They can get back to you. And of course, those people that are behind Sky Alliance are always active. And wala akong naging problema sa funding and deposit or withdrawal and everything. Workout after our we had an upgrade sa CRM portal namin, and it's already improved, and it's still being enhanced. So more to see, more things that we have to see pa sa Sky Alliance, no? I think there's gonna be a lot of exciting things that's going to happen this before this year ends. Hi everyone, and good evening again, and thank you for joining us tonight. Medyo yung title lang ng uh, webinar was like more onto risk management, but actually part of this is trading plan and associated with the risk management. On the first half of the discussion, I would be talking about the trading plan, which is more into like na-share ko na to, but then this is a little bit more of giving you a review, and I will be sharing you my actual trading risk management strategy or plan. So at least this can give you a little bit of a peek on what you can do, or what you can like give you an idea of how important really is kung gagawa tayo ng plano, and then together with that is our risk management. So I think we're all here. Oh yeah, Sir Mark, go ahead. Good evening.
Ayun, sir, Coach, thank you so much. Good evening to everyone. Thank you for taking time to attend on our webinar training for today. Well, basically, I won't gonna take too much of your time, sir. Uh, Bago po tayo mag-start, I will be sending you, or probably right after this training, we'll be sending you, for all of those people who attended our training for tonight, we'll be sending you some forms. This is gonna be a survey. So, basically, ano po ito, moving forward na, on all of our webinars, on all of our trainings, we'll be sending out some survey to all of our attendees. This is actually to improve, or to, if you have any suggestions, or to improve our training para mas mapaganda pa po natin, mas maimprove pa po natin yung mga ano natin, training natin in the future. So that's just it. And again, we appreciate your time. And again, welcome to Skylights Markets. Go ahead, sir. Thank you, Coach Norris.
All right, thank you so much, Sir Mark. That was Sir Mark, one of our account manager with Sky Alliance, and we are like namit ko na siya sa Cagayan de Oro, and he's a really very approachable person. If you have any concerns or problems in the future and you would like to know more about Sky Alliance, you can talk and approach Sir Mark through his Facebook, or you can just simply message or messenger sa Facebook niya. Anyone that are here. We also have our right now we have also the presence of our Asia Pacific country manager, AJ, Ma'am AJ. We have our team. Other coaches are also with us tonight, and I'm so happy that a lot of more people are now coming in. May papasok pa, marami. There you go. So I'm not gonna really take much of the time on the intro, and I just like to remind everyone we will be having I'll be having another round of a webinar that would be the MT4 navigation on Friday, and FX 101. Sir Mark, when will be your FX 101? I'm sorry.
That's gonna be tomorrow, tomorrow same time, 8 p.m. So, okay. For those of you who really doesn't have any idea yet about how forex trading works, you can take advantage of this training. And yung attend natin for tonight, take advantage po natin yung training na to. So it's really it's really informative ano po natin sa susunod natin matutunan natin. Kasi will definitely will help us on our trading journey. So, that's it. Tomorrow po, FX 101, and Friday, that's gonna be MT4 navigation. So, yan, magkakasunod all for free. Thank you, sir. Go ahead.
All right. Thank you so much for that, Sir Mark. Once again, we have a Forex 101 tomorrow at 8 p.m. Abang-abang lang, magla-live din po ako, and I will be sharing the Zoom link. And following on that day will be Friday after tomorrow. After Thursday, 8 p.m. then. I'll be your host. I'll be walking you through the MT4 navigation. Again, for those newbies that don't know how to do charting and everything, it's your time to take advantage of on Friday and join tomorrow at Forex 101, so you would totally understand what are the things that you have to learn more and to know more, research, education about Forex, or anything that is related to Forex trading or any trading that you're doing right now. and you can understand and totally have a comparison on which is which that you'd like to really, kasi at the end of the day, what we're really going after, or what we're really on to this, is the profit and the gain, diba? There are differences on what we're doing, but at the end of the day, it all boiled down to the common ano natin, the reason why we're trading, because we need to profit and gain, no? Pero part of this discussion, let's go. All right, Forex risk management, the plan, the knowledge, the standard, and everything. There's a lot of things when you talk about Forex. Can everyone hear me before we proceed? Before we officially start, can everyone hear me? Are you having problem with my audio? Go ahead, please. Okay ba?
Yes, sir.
Alright, thank you. How about the display? Okay ba? Nakikita ba niyo yung screen ko?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Yes.
Thank you po. Thank you. Okay, let's go ahead and thank you again everyone for being here tonight. And we will be talking about trading plan and risk management. So when we talk about risk management, dun pumapasok sa isipan natin yung ano ba yung risk management? Mga iba nagtatanong, walang alam yung talagang newbie and don't have any idea why we're talking about risk management. Because when we talk about risk management, teka lang. Okay, ko this. When we say risk management, dito pumapasok yung ito ba yung ito ba yung magsa-stop loss ako or magka-cut loss ako, or ito ba yung time na matatalo na ba ako, or should I like will I be having like an experience na makapag would flip the reason why I wanted to stay and continue trading, or would I stop doing the trade? Hindi po. Risk management is really important because we need to make sure that we know how much we can expose in the market and how much we would like to kung magkano yung gusto nating kitain and magkano din yung pwede kung kaya nyong i-risk doon sa market, no? Like just like your physical business. Of course, you're gonna be starting into an investment na alam mong you have to invest and mayroong mga risk na i-consider natin, and how willing and how long are you gonna be like holding it until you will succeed, no? Para mga ganun. Dito sa risk management naman sa Forex is you have to really know what are the things to consider and what are the things to prepare para naman yung risk management natin is ma-follow natin and effective siya. So, together with this two, like on the two pictures that you're looking at right now, the illustration, the other on the left side, you're seeing the trade your plan and not your emotions, and profit, risk management, and your losses. So, para sa akin, magka ano lang sila eh. There's no such different at all. Kasi if you do not trade your plan, you're also not doing your risk management. Simple as that. Wala kang plano, wala ka rin plano kung saan ka titigil, or wala kang plano kung ano yung profit mo or yung loss mo. It's just like you place your trade with nothing and you're just going by your emotion. And parang simply as saying na parang ano lang, parang you're just doing the gamble, no? Parang wala lang kasi tingin ko malakas siya, ito mahina. Ganun lang, as simple as that. So by having this webinar, I want to make sure that at the end of our time, matapos natin yung webinar, I would really like and happy to see people understand how important it is to have a trading plan and your risk management and not your emotions. So, yeah, like control, loss control, risk control, your plan, and risk and rewards. That is very, very important kung magte-trade tayo. Why risk management and trading plan is important? Okay. The most successful traders trade to a plan and may even have several plans that work together. So, I didn't just come up with this. I did not just come up with this because I believe that, yeah, those successful traders do really have plan, which is sometimes we doubt, and sometimes we also like come out from where we at, and like, are these guys really, those successful traders na nakikita natin, are these guys really have plans prior to doing this and doing that? Merong mga matatagal na trader, like yung mga experienced trader na, they're already, like, they don't need to do a plan on this week because from the very start, they have already the very long time of experience doing the trade and they know already what their plan is. But again, they were not, they were not, hindi sila dumating sa point na naging successful kung hindi nila sinunod yung mga plans nila. And if you're gonna observe a lot of traders somewhere in the internet, again, they always provide and they always encourage and motivate everyone to do a plan prior to do your trading. And always write things down. Why? It's important. Ako, nag-start ako mag-trade, I don't just write down. I just keep in my mind. Pero, nung pataas na ng pataas yung mga nalalaman ko and then na-experience ko, that's the time that it's really important to do a journal. Kasi you can get back on those things and you can like the price chart, 'di ba? Kailangan natin ng price chart para makita natin yung historical data. And when you have those historical data, you will totally understand and you would learn from it that how things work or how the price move. Ganon din sa journal mo. And why do you have to write it on? So you can review those things that you have already experienced and what are those things that is effective for your trading. So, yun nga, because it will help you stay focused on your trading objectives. And less judgment, we have to use the better. Okay? Alam mo na yung mga gagawin mo. I have already been there, done that on the situation. And I know what to do on this. So, alam mo na yung mga gagawin mo. Alright, sorry. Hi guys, anybody that is not on mute, kindly mute po. Hello. Kindly mute your microphone. Thank you. Okay, I think we're right. Okay. Nag-mute na siguro. Alright, so going back. Kalang guys ah. Hindi pala ako nakapag... There. So, continue tayo. A plan helps you maintain discipline as a trader. Tama po yun. It should help you trade consistently, manage your emotions, and even help to improve your trading strategy. Disiplina, plan, that is true. Nung nag-trade ako, when I started trading, wala lang. Nag-copy trade ako. I really started on a robot or EA. Yun, doon ako nag-start. I don't really understand what is going on. Wala lang. So, wala tayong ma-expect doon, 'di ba? Wala tayong ma-expect doon na like if you profit lang, happy ka na, and then if you lost, you lost. But then yung EA will not last that long and it's not a blown out or sunog proof yung EA. Never, there's no EA na sunog proof, okay? So nung dumating sa point na na-experience natin siya, so, sabi ko, I need to learn manual. And when I started doing the manual trade, wala talaga. Walang plan, walang ganito. And I lost a lot. No? I learned a lot from that. And then, slowly, nag-upgrade tayo. Nalaman natin na it's very important na discipline muna ang unahin natin, especially the emotions. You need to tame your emotions. Kasi, minsan nga, wala tayong risk management. Profit na sana. And if you were able to set your goal, if you're able to like, okay na, pag may $10 ako, it's already kinda 50% to $20 kasi yung target natin. But then you did not plan it ahead and sinabi mo lang na I mean sorry, $20 yung target natin and $10 ka na. By that time, since you have a plan and you've been doing a journal, you already consider 50% is already a profit for you. But then, naging greedy ka, you forgot that you have something that you have to remind yourself na dapat you have already the discipline na dapat mo sundin and then part of your plan na kung umabot man tayo dyan, pwede na natin and then looking on the chart na medyo mahirap, sana nag-pull out ka na, pera na naging bato pa. And then, ang problema pa doon, wala kang risk management, hindi mo plinano, hinayaan mo siyang nag-draw down, no? Instead, yung ratio ng ano mo is 1:1 lang, naging 1:3. Yung risk reward mo, doon lang, 10%. I mean, $20 yung risk reward mo, pero yung losses mo will be more than $20. So, paano naging ano yun? Yung nawala yung risk management natin doon. Later on, guys, on the actual, I'll show you how I calculate my fund and make sure na kaya tong yung mga position ko, and by if I saw at this point, if nakita ko tong profit na to, I would really gonna pull out, and that's it. That's my plan. So it is also important to use your plan. Yun nga, sinabi na as what I mentioned. Okay, guys. Key components to develop develop your trading plan. Been mentioning this a lot, even hindi sa webinar, even dun sa mga live ko. Trading plan, structure, and monetary goals. Meron akong note dito. Teka lang, guys, sa trading plan, there are a lot of steps that you have to consider. A lot of things that you have to consider. Number one, your skill assessment. Are you ready to trade? Or naging trader ka lang kasi trending siya, and that is more like a lot of people are into this right now, and especially doon sa crypto, especially doon sa mga nakakakita lang ng video, and people that were encouraged because they experience a bad experience na inofera ng Forex, na guarantee ng profit. That's why, and then at the end of the day, nawala yung taong nag-offer sa kanila with their investment. So then they resort to like mag-trade na lang din ako kasi malaki talaga yung kitain, and they don't understand, and they don't know what are the plans and the structures that need to learn on. So number one, your skill assessment. Do you really know what you're gonna be doing? Number two, yung yung mental preparation. Are you into trading because you just wanted to like revenge and earn what you've lost, or do you know what are your risk level? Ano ba yung how much of your portfolio na you should risk on one trade? And then what are your goals? Yun importante sa structure eh. And of course, paano ba yung mga trading preparation natin? Where are we gonna be entering? Where are we gonna be going to exit our trades? And of course, are we able to sustain or keep the excellent records na wala tayong learnings? Again, I don't call losses, I don't say the word losses, but I'm more onto learning. Kasi when you experience that part, you're not losing. You are actually gaining, and you are learning from that mistake or wrong calculation of your trade, no? And then hindi naman talaga naglo-loss diyan kung meron kang mga plans na naka-prepare. All right? Analyze and performance. That's the last thing there. Paano mo you have to really re-evaluate your performance, whether you learn from it, whether you profit from it, whether you gain from it or not. It's really important talaga na at the end of the day, get back onto those learning trades and then those winning trades para ma-journal mo, and then if ever happens again, kasi to tell you guys that the movement of the market is wala naman talagang market na palaging pataas. It will always go up, down, and sideways. So, you just have to refamiliarize things, especially sa gold. Si-share ko sa inyo, si gold. When I started gold, hindi ko siya alam kung how gold really works, what is the yung attitude ni gold pag tinitrade mo siya. Si gold kasi grabe siya, no? Hindi niya nire-respect yung mga like sabihin natin yung mga tested na resistance and support area. Whenever there is a big impact or big yung mga news na malalaki, big impact news na papasok, si gold talaga gagalaw. Like we're expecting something tonight na may mga positions tayo right after our discussions. Kahit mangyari yun ngayon, yung mga pending orders ko, matouch niya, but we can still talk about it because planado na yun. And I have already calculated the risk for those trades. So, moving to the move forward tayo, strategies using yung research and education, nasabi ko na rin, it's really important nga, yun nga, we need to do our own research, our goals, your mental preparation and skills assessment, and analyze the performance. Also, consider your strategy, the fundamental and technical tools. Marami na sa inyo dito have been hearing me, have been talking to me, have been sharing informations about fundamental and technical tools. And I don't think that some of you here, guys, kung meron mga newbies, again, bukas sumali kayo para makahabol kayo. But saying the fundamental and technical tools, I'm assuming the majority of the the attendees tonight understand what is fundamental and what is technical tools, no? Para ako, when I trade, I also I am more into technical tools, and then pumapasok si fundamentals because doon ko nahahanap yung mga opportunities and timing kung saan ako maganda, saan maganda pumasok, and then by doing that, I'll get back on the technical and look for the zones that I can use. Kung paano and how will I get in and how will I get out and what are my targets. Okay? Money risk management, part of the trading plan. Mamaya simulation time, I'm gonna provide you an actual on how I do really calculate everything before I place a trade. Right timing. When you say timing, may mga timing ba sa trade? Oo, marami. When you understand that, when you know that there are some, I don't know if everyone knows about this, but there are time zone that we need to observe, and session pala, sorry, time session ng trading that I need to observe. Then I consider that that's timing. No, I don't, sometimes if it's necessary for me to trade on Tokyo session, that it's around 8 a.m. Manila time. So, there's a timing there. If you wanted to trade Tokyo, then you can do that. Pero sa katagalan na ginawa na observe ko sa Tokyo, hindi talaga siya like um in one quarter siguro mayroong mga dalawa, tatlong beses na gumalaw siya ng medyo mataas sa gold. More actions na makikita mo sa gold trading, and even the Euro USD, the GBP and GJ, call it GBP and JPY, they also move during London session, that is around 2 p.m. in the afternoon Manila time, and then more into like crossover ng London to New York at 8 p.m. to 9:30 dyan. Super yung volatility talaga ng market nandyan. And if you were able to use the fundamental strategy as well prior to reaching that timing or that point of session, alam mo na yung pwede mong gawin kasi na-plot mo na and nakita mo na doon sa mga daily news that what would be the possible impact for tonight. And then the technical tools to identify the zone of your positions or position area na pwede mong lagyan ng trades and whatever depending or bias that you'd like to do. So, by the way, bias is a word. Let's say yung bias ko will be buy ako. I can see the market is bullish, or my bias will be sell and we are on a bearish momentum. And anything can happen, it can flip, so you can change your bias. It depends upon you, depende sa principle nyo. Pero para sa akin, most likely in 1 week, yung bias ko is isa lang. It's really rare na may possibility na mag-change siya. Kung along the way, kung alam naman, kung nakikita ko naman na may malaking possibility or opportunity na mag-change ang bias ko, I can just like consider it. But majority, kung whatever my bias on Monday, tuloy-tuloy yan until Friday. So, trade mechanics, documents, and testing. As what I've said, analyze and evaluation. How to build a trading plan. Bakit importante yung trading plan? Make sure do your own research and build a plan according to your needs. So, yun. So, we need to make sure na alam natin yung mga pinagagawa natin. For example, magte-trade ako ng BTC. Let's just say BTC, crypto. I want to trade BTC. Or let's just say I want to trade gold. And wala lang, nag-trade ka lang ng gold. Dati euro ako nag-start, euro USD, and then I switched to gold. So, when I was trading euro USD, parang na-bored ako. Wala kasing plan eh. So, na-bored ako. Sabi ko, bagal naman kumita dito. So, lumipat, nag-try ako ng gold. Nung nasubukan ko siya, it was like a right timing siguro. I don't know what happened. Kumita ako agad ng like somewhere almost $100. Sabi ko, ang bilis naman dito. But I did not have any plans at all, and akala ko tuloy-tuloy lang yun, tuloy-tuloy. Then suddenly, the market reversed, then boom. And hindi ko alam yung mga pinagagawa ko, and I don't have any plan at all kung ano yung mga gusto kong mangyari doon sa trade na yun. Wala lang, kasi nakita ko lang nag-profit, but I did not really look at the other side that the market might reverse, and will my fund hold on if nag-reverse to, kasi wala akong calculation of my risk and everything, wala talaga. So, that is very important, guys. Find confidence in what you know. The tools you have selected for your strategy are key, from the type of chart to the specific drawing tools to even the most elaborate strategies. Again, minsan, nagiging like, wow, ang ganda, ang dami niyang ang dami niyang ginagamit na mga, sabihin na lang natin, dami niyang ginagamit na mga indicators like this and like that, but then you don't really understand what are those indicators for, and will it be essential or will it be effective if I have those indicators, no? Parang ganon. So, you really have to know what are those type of tools that is effective to you. Para sa akin, yung mga tools ko lang naman is, especially sa indicator ko, hindi gaano ako, like, I have some selected ano lang, few indicators, and then my tools are yung meron din tayong mga ginagamit na tools like the I think I already showed it, the Chinese indicator, the currency strength meter. Pull up ko lang, guys. Kailangan. This one, this is part of my tool. Okay? It helps me to look at if what is the current strength of that specific currency. Are you seeing my screen, guys? Hello? Can you see my screen? Okay. Live charts. Okay, live charts.co.uk. This is one of my tools, and it's really like effective to me so far. And then the website where I check the fundamentals, which is Forex Factory, and other specific drawing tools na ginagamit ko rin dito sa MT4 ko or sometimes sa TradingView ko. Mga ganito. Yeah, these are effective because these are kind of like you're doing a future forecast, and if it's a success, basta if it's a success, it will for example lang to, itong tool na to, itong drawing tool na to, for example, I tawag dito, naglagay ako dito ng these are my plans, my pending orders, naglagay ako dito ng posisyon, and then if it really happens, magsasuccess siya dyan. And kung ngayon ka magpa-plot dyan, kung gagamitin mo to, it will just like simply failure. Kasi tapos na yan, 'di ba? So this drawing tool is kind of more effective to me kasi malalaman ko kung naging success siya. Kung babalikan ko siya right after na mangyari na, it will show up a success word up here. Then doon naman sa MT4 ko, hindi ako masyado nagte-trend line dito because I can see the indicator that I'm using, knowing where the resistance and the support area, kasi gumagamit ako ng Fibot indicator. So, it's effective din siya sa akin, itong tool, the drawing tool na to. But I'm not gonna take much of the time there kasi, again, on Friday, I'll be giving you more time on talking about those tools, no, na ginagamit natin, especially sa MT4. Test your plan in the beginning to make sure you're on the right track. After you have begun trading, continue testing it regularly. This allow you to measure your success by clearly seeing what works and what does not work. Okay. Alam nyo ba, guys, merong impact din kung nagtitrade tayo. Let's just say, let's put it that way, this way. Kailangan kung, I don't know if you're still seeing, ano ba yung nakashare ngayon? Nakakita nyo ba yung screen ko? Okay, nasa PowerPoint tayo. Thank you. Okay, so, ayun, wala. Test your plan in the beginning to make sure you're on the right track. Wag po kayong magti-testing kung meron na po kayong nakaset na plan or strategy along that week and suddenly you're gonna be testing a new strategy. Wag nyo pong gagawin yan. Better to do the testing prior to putting into a real action or real trading. Kasi you're really gonna be experiencing a lot of problems. And I've been there. Naging effective ako on that week for let's just say 2 to 3 consecutive weeks, effective yung strategy na yun. And then on the 4th week, sabi ko, I will apply this strategy. What happened? Nabaliwala po yun lahat, yung 3 weeks ko na profit because of that strategy na inactivate ko right there and then real and actual. Wala. Good luck. Goodbye. Kasi, again, if you're gonna be doing if you're gonna test your plan, do it do it on I would suggest demo account. That will work. No, demo account. But then you also have to evaluate those trades that you have sa demo para makita nyo rin before you put it into action. Alright? Then continue testing it regularly. Wag muna kayong mag-expose ng like a lot of big lot sizes when you're gonna be transitioning into a new strategy. Paliit-liit lang. Regardless of where you got that strategy, kasi may mga ibang trader na nakakakuha ng strategy sa ibang trader, malaki daw yung kinita kasi malaki yung equity. Hindi po ganun. No. You have to do it from the on a small and a huge equity if that strategy will really work. All right? And this allows you to measure your success by clearly seeing what works and what does not work. If it will not really work, you know where you know your limit, then stop. Go back to the drawing board and then reevaluate things. From there, you can tweak elements that might be weaker and not contributing to your overall goal. You have to pull out those things na when I say elements na that might be a weaker or nagko-contribute ng problema, na nagko-contribute ng hindrance sa mga goal natin. Like sometimes you have to understand, you have to assist yourself, you have to really, like last night, I talked to a person na nagtatanong siya, sino kausap mo, sino binubulungan mo? I am used to that na minsan kinakausap ko yung sarili ko to evaluate and to help me assist myself kung ano ba talaga, and is this really working, or this is just part of the contributing factor na hindi siya mag-work, so I need to remove this. So kinakausap ko siya. The same din sa trading. Pag nagte-trade ako, sometimes dumadating tayo sa point na, is this working for us? Like, come on. So if there are elements that you know that is not really working for you and that you're not convenient or not comfortable having it, especially those things that surrounds you, remove those things and let them know. If it's a person, if it's a member of the family, let them know that, can you like not do this because it's affect me on my goal on trading. So importante din po 'yun. Part on this, I'm gonna add the relationship pala, no? If you're gonna do a trade, real experience to. Guys, experience ko rin to last week sa isang GC. I wanna share this. I know a lot of people hear this, know this. No, pag tingin nyo may problema kayo sa trade nyo, huwag naman kayo mandamay. Huwag nyo idamay yung mga inosente na hindi alam yung nangyari sa'yo sa trade. What I would suggest, let them know what is going on and that you need understanding and you need a hug para po ma-divert yung iniisip nating revenge trading, and you would like spend more time bago kayo bumalik doon sa trade or bago kayo bumalik doon sa anong gagawin nyo kung saan kayo nagte-trade. I would suggest that keep a very constant and open relationship to anybody surrounds you and let them understand what you're doing and let them know what is currently going on with your trades. Importante po din yan sa trading plan. Harmonious and yung peace ba andon, no? May harmony sa sarili mo, and then you know that I know that they will support me regardless of what will be the result of the trade. No? Parang, yun eh. When my wife did that, one night, nag-losing ako, and then, like, nasa kwarto na ako doon. I respect our room. Sana, hindi na ako nagte-trade sa room eh. I respect our room. So, pagpasok ko sa room, doon, nag-trade pa ako, and then nakita niyang, hindi ko pa kasi kinat-loss. Nung nakita niya, and then, my face, my reaction, like, suddenly get sad. Sabi niya, what's going on? I need a hug. Sinabi ko lang, I need a hug. And then, she just supported me and hugged me and then said, kaya mo yan, go on lang, don't stop. So, on the following days, yun yung nag-ano sa akin na, I'm not gonna go back in the market right now. I will enjoy the time that these people give me and support me na whatever happens on the trade, andyan sila. So, enjoy muna ako. Pagbalik ko na following days with that word, motivational support and words, go back, kaya mo yan, don't give up. Yun, nakabawi tayo. So, importante din yung support ng family dito. Part din yan sa trading plan, yung relationship ninyo. Kaya wag nyong awayin regardless of the result of your trades. Let them know what you're doing. Eto na. Bakit kayo nagtitrade? No? Why are you trading? If your immediate answer is to make money, you should stop right there. If the only goal is to make as much money as fast as we can, we are ultimately doomed because it will never be enough. Managing your losses should be your primary goal. This will create an environment in which profit can be generated. Tama yun. If you're just here to make money, mali po yun. Uh, when uh 2021 started, I have a group of group kami nagte-trade. And then because we came from into something a situation that I could not discuss it here. Nag-trade kami and we were like keep on chasing the profit because we wanted to make money kasi marami kaming hinahabol. But then at the end of the day, napapagod lang tayo. Sa kakahabol, why don't we have a plan rather than keep on chasing the market or the profit? Wait for the profit to come. Mas effective po yun. And honestly, effective talaga na antayin mo lang yung profit, wag mo nga habulin. I've been there. So, if you're gonna say yes just to make money, wag po. I would rather consider na, yeah, I'm trading as just a supplemental side hustle for my monthly payables. That would work. Honestly, yeah. Minsan, ginagamit ko siya, like, target ko lang just to supplement the payables every month. Hindi like, magte-trade ako para yumaman, makapagyate ako, makapag-luxury car ako. Cut that crap, man. Like, hindi pwede yun. That's not an attitude that you have, you need to possess on trading. Wag po ganun. Make sure that while you're trading and understand and what are those things that motivating you and bakit ka magko-continue. So, yun, ito, what is your motivation? Solid retirement, new career, spend more time with family and friends? No? Dapat mo malaman yun. Ako, guys, a lot of people asking me, if I'm gonna be like doing a trading career, I will focus into trading. Titigil ako sa work. No, that's a big no-no. I would not really like, I'm not gonna support you on that. If you really insist, like, yeah, you go, but I'm not into your, like, wanted to stop working kasi gusto mo mag full-time sa trade. Wag po. No? Or, siguro, like, nasa bahay ka lang, all these years, siguro, pwede yun. Wala ka talagang ginagawa. Pwede yun. Focus ka na lang sa trading. Pero, like, you have work and then you switch to trading career right away because you wanted to, like, make money. Wag po. Sa work nyo po, binabayaran kayo hourly. Sa trading nyo po, hindi po kayo binabayaran hourly. Depende po sa kikitain nyo. Depende po sa plans nyo. No? What if 8 hours ka nag-trade and mas malaki pa yung sweldo mo? Like, come on. That's not gonna work. You can trade 1 to 3 hours in a day and then you can get almost equal to a weekly profit mo sa pagtatrabaho mo. Pwede yun, 1 to 3 hours. Kaya nga, importante, we have to know and identify our trading plan. Ask yourself, what are your strengths and your weaknesses? How do I maximize my strength to minimize my weakness? An example of weakness is a need to constantly watch one trade. Ito. How do I maximize my strength to minimize my weakness? What are my strengths in trading? Sa akin talaga, yung weakness ko if dumating sa point na kita kong tagilid and then I'm not getting any profit on this week, nagiging lazy ako. And then, what I do is, I look for people that I can talk to and then look for ideas from them na magiging na magagamit ko siya to maximize my strength back and regain the laziness period na kasi nga na-experience natin yung drawdown on the start of the week. So ganun ako, I just step out lang talaga. That's all. Then re-evaluate. So an example of weakness is you need constantly watch one trade is your laptop on the pillow. Or at ano to? Sorry. Constantly watch one trade. Yung tumitingin ka sa iba and then na dumating ka sa point na kasi meron siyang buy and then may profit na and ikaw rin sumabay, naging FOMO ka. FOMO. So, kasi yun nga, nakita mo lang. And then you feel like, kokopyahin ko to, yung position niya. But knowing na malayo na sa original position niya. And then, making your laptop or putting your laptop into your pillow or kung pwede pa lang, gawin mo ng kumot yung laptop mo na nakahag ka na lang all night into your tummy because you keep on watching the trade and waking up in the middle of the night to monitor your trades. I've been there. Pero sa akin, I don't consider them anymore as my weaknesses kasi wala na, nakapag-move on na tayo dyan. And then, yung weakness ko lang talaga minsan is bumabalik ako agad, nagre-revenge trade ako. Kaya nga yung ginagawa ko, step out na, And then, yun na lang siguro yung part na yun na kailangan kong what do you mean? Ma-defeat, no? As a trader. So, it's really difficult to make intelligent decisions when you're half awake. Yung gumigising ka in the middle of the night and you're not like, don't have plans at all. Hindi naman part. Gumigising ka lang just to place trade. Wag ganun po. Not unless you plan for it and you saw it in the news, like in the morning, you saw it that there will be a 2 a.m. news the following day, then you can do that. But like, kasi nakita ko sa kanya and then always putting your laptop. Guys, do it a habit, no? Kung nasa room kayo, like, respect your room as a place na dapat nakakapagpahinga ka. Alright? Nakakapagpahinga kayo. Make your mind relax sometimes. Huwag kayong mag-over sa trading. It's not gonna bring you good at all. Okay? So, is the amount of money I have traded sensible to achieve a... Alright. Sorry. Strategy is step-by-step systematic approach to how and we are going to use tools developing sequence of analysis. And here are some things that we can expect to see in trading strategy. Alright, na-mention na natin to. Review ko lang the types of analysis. Fundamental and technical or both. Depende sa strategy. When and how the analysis tools will be used. The time frames of to use the tools, the sequence of analysis, the probability, the description of what to look for, and the types of order to use. Guys, on the presentation, if I'm gonna follow the presentation, it's gonna be long trading plan discussion, but most of those that I have discussed to you already are the most important and essential components of a trading plan. Again, number one talaga, isipin yung strategy nyo. I mean, yung disiplina nyo, your emotions should always be considered. Alright? Should always be considered. Hindi lang basta-basta, kasi may pera ako, magte-trade ako, and then that reach the point na talo ka, sino kawawa, and sino aawayin mo, parang mga ganun. Always make sure to have a strategy. Now, let's go to an actual part of my strategy is my risk management calculation. Teka lang. May tinatawag akong risk calculator, guys, when I do place a trade. And I'm gonna pull up something here on my MT4. Okay? Yung MT4 ko na gagamitin natin. Pull up natin. So, medyo magulo siya, but I'm gonna be transferring to a MT4 na hindi magulo. Yung chart na hindi magulo. Okay. Now, tonight, I was like planning to place a position. And knowing that itong account na to has a $58,000. Alright, tago ko na lang. Sige. Tago ko na lang. Meron siyang 58,261 na fund. And then, I have an open trade floating to last September 7 pa to. Bakit hindi ko siya kinat-lose nung nag-reverse talaga? Kasi 18-18 pa yan eh. I'm gonna explain to you bakit. Ito muna yung mga floating. Okay, yung floating trades dito, I'd like to let you know that it's calculated. Okay? Meron akong stop loss dyan. So, yung first trade natin is teka lang. Nawala yung screen share. Hold on, guys. Balik ko lang. Are you seeing an MT4? Are you seeing an MT4?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So, ito yung ongoing trade ko, balikan natin. Meron akong dalawang floating last September 7 pa tong trade na to. Hindi ko siya give up. I have an open 5,000 negative and a 2,000 negative. Ang laki naman, sir. Yep, malaki siya. And it's already almost more than 10% na yata yung exposure natin. Tama ba? You guys agree? Alright. So, yun. Balikan natin. Now, regardless of what will be my exposure dito, I am not worried because nakaplano po itong trade na to. It's just that nung nag-reverse siya, I decided not to cut it lost or wala. Hindi ko siya kinat loss kasi kayang-kaya ng account. And then knowing that pwede siyang umabot hanggang 17, kahit na bumaba yung gold into 1700 na price, kaya pa rin ng account i-sustain. Meron ako cut loss area dyan, 1770. I'm willing to cut it lost rather than ma-wipe out ako. Okay? Papakita ko lang yung risk calculator. Ito yung calculator na ginagamit ko whenever I place a trade. Before I place the trade, yan, pending yung status dyan. Okay. Before I place a trade, nagka-calculate muna ako dito and I'm gonna always look on the chart. Pero yung current floating na to, wala na yung charting ko dito. I just let it there. I just let it stay. And then, pakita ko lang kung bakit hindi ko siya kinat-loose. I just want you to understand why. The 300 lot size, or 3 lot sizes na inopen ko, which is equivalent to $300 every movement, no? Every pip movement, is nag-buy ako sa 18.59. Right? Now, I was like expecting it will go up to 18.25 para mag-profit ako ng 1,923. But then, suddenly, nag-reverse si market. Wala pa akong price limit doon. Like, naka-zero lang yung price limit ko dito. Ayun lang, malaki yung exposure dyan. When you say exposure, ha? When you say exposure from 1818, hold on, guys. Okay. Ayun. If you have a calculator down there, guys, online computer ko. Okay. Bumili ako ng gold, which is yung dollars, that's 1818. Bakit ayaw mag-work ng calculator? Anyways, type ko na lang. Ayaw din. Arte. And then, like, yung nung nag-reverse na siya, no? Yun ba yung sinabi ko? From 1818, yung target natin is 1825. So, it should be like this. Sorry. Alamin natin, 1825 minus 1818. Magkano, how much yung difference? Sorry. Sabihin na lang natin, there is 70 pips. No? Difference. So, every pip niyan is may $300 na tick. Or meaning, may $300 na bawas kung mag-reverse or kung papuntang 1825 talaga, that's 300 per going to 1825. So, 300, sabihin natin, 300 times 7. That's why we were expecting somewhere around at least 2,000 na profit. 1923 according to this calculation. 18.59. No, 6 pips lang ang counting niya. Pero sa akin, doon sa calculator, 70 pips. Alright. Expecting na kikita ako ng 1923. Pero itong trade na to talaga, hindi man lang nag-positive. Nag-reverse from this area. I don't know what happened, pero nag-reverse. So, doon na ako nag-decide I have to put up a stop loss. Nilagyan ko siya ng 1775. Now, by this calculator, alam ko kung magkano yung exposure and saan ako magka-cut loss. I'll be cutting loss or stopping the loss at 13,000 na exposure. Yan, hindi pa man 13,000, so okay lang. Magkano kaya matitira doon? So, meron pa akong matitirang, if I'm gonna remove this, meron pa akong 44,000 from the 58,000 na matitira. So, kaya pa. Like, I can still go and recover. Meron pa. So, from there, you know that you have already calculated yung possible na blown out sa account mo, calculated mo yung risk mo, and you know where to stop. So, right there, alam mo pang pwede pa akong maglagay ng trade. Kaya pa ng account kasi kahit na bumaba siya ng 1775 and going back to the chart, bakit 1775? Balikan natin, doon na lang sa H4 natin hanapin. Bakit 1775? Is si 1775 po is somewhere na range po ito, no? It's a hard support, it's a tested support. So pwedeng dito lang siya, somewhere here 1780, hindi niya aabutin yung 1775. Or if ever talagang abutin, will I still like change my plan? Or pwede ko pa bang i-atras yung risk or habaan ko pa yung risk ko? Sa akin okay na ako sa 1775. Pag dumating doon, cut loss, 13,000. Pa, 45 na lang yung natira ng 58. That's okay. I still have 45 to go. Palagay na lang natin. Pero alam na natin kung hanggang saan kaya ng account natin. Diba? So, wag natin i-close. Tuloy lang, 1775. Like, nasa 1814 na yung next position ko, yung next floating ko. May $200 na position ako dyan. Pagdating ng 1814, nag-open up ako ng trade na naman, nag-buy ako. Same day. Yun na. Sabi ko, laki na ng exposure. Pababa. Sabihin natin, wala pa yan. Wala pa akong price limit dyan. So, naglagay ako ng 200 dito. So, nag-target din ako. Sinabay ko na rin yung target sa 1825. Or, kasi may 4 pips, may 40 pips difference sila. Sabi ko, pwedeng or, no? Pwedeng or, hanggang 1819 lang yung profit ko dito. Yan. No, if ever, nasa plan yon, nasa journal yon, na if ever, mahirapan na siyang lumagpas ng 1819, pwede na ako mag-profit doon, 40 pips na yon. No, 1819. Magkano na rin yun? 1,000 na rin yun, 40 pips. For 200 na, na exposure, or 2 lots na exposure. But then suddenly, nag-reverse. Sabi ko, 1775 din, sasabay ko to. So, up to 7,800 exposure. Now, if ever natamaan, cut loss, or tamaan yung stop loss ko dito, sa dalawang open positions na to, sa dalawang trade na yan, am I still be able to get back on the market and trade? Yeah, I can still get back on it. It's a learning curve na naman. Bakit? What happened doon? Bakit ako nagpaglagay ng mga position doon? So, balikan, review mo, check your notes and everything. Bakit? Na stop loss, na tamaan. Malaki yung naging losses ko doon. That's almost 20,000 from the 58,000. But doing this calculator or risk management strategy, alam kong kaya pa ng account ko. Kaya nalalaman ko kung pwede bang lagyan ng stop loss dito, and kung tatamaan yung stop loss na yan, posible bang tamaan or hindi. Again, 1775, nag-plot ako dyan. Sabi ko, malabong tamaan yan. It may go down ng 1780, pero pwede pang i-recover yan. Kaya hold ko na lang. Okay? So, kaya. Now, tonight, pwede pa bang mag-add ng trade knowing that we have a floating position? Yeah, pwede pa. Kasi alam mong, if ever bumaba ng 1775, magka-cut loss, magsa-stop loss siya, you still have 37,000 to go. So, let's just say, tonight, maglalagay ako ng buy position. Yung buy position ko will be, at 1811.76. Bakit po? If the gold will break up here, somewhere here, ayoko ng 1809 and up to 1810. Mas safe ako sa 1811 kasi alam ko dito area na to. Kita ko lang. This is a clear way going up somewhere here. Ito yung range na area na to na tested na to eh. Itong 13, itong area na to, itong 12. Matagal dito makalagpas si gold. So sa 10, sa 11 ako mag-aabang, and then up to 14 yung take profit ko. As what I have said here. That's what I have said there, no? Kailangan balikan natin. Nawala yung isang trade. Kailangan. Alright. Natamaan nga yung sell natin na posisyon. Explain na natin mamaya. Mamaya na yan si sell. Doon muna tayo sa buy position. So, kung matatamaan, kung nag-place tayo ng 1811, guys, kung nag-place ako ng 1811, balikan natin si calculator. Naglagay ako dito ng 0.50 and $50 sa 1811. Dating lagyan ng price limit. Yan. And then, nag-take profit ako sa 1814. Kung umabot siya na 1814, meron akong 124 na profit. Pero, what if, tinamaan lang niya yung 1811 and then, wala na. Hindi na siya bumalik, bumaba. Like, saan ba bumaba ngayon si gold? Bumaba siya ng 1794. So, nag-expose siya ng 888. Kaya pa ba ng account? Oo, kayang-kaya pa ng account. So, tuloy lang. Hanggang, like, how much kaya? Kakayanin kaya kung mag 1775 stop loss din ako? Kaya pa, may matitira pa naman. That's okay. Kayang-kaya pa. Alright? They still have 35 to go. So, eto na lang. Kasi natamaan. Sayang na i-cut loss, no? Yan na. So, I still have 63.90%. How much ba yung kaya kong i-risk? 50% of my account, kaya ko pong i-risk yun. Now, after that, no more na. Wala na. Hindi na ako magdadagdag ng posisyon. as it might like probably go down somewhere 15% na lang yung matira, mag-terminal call ako. Wala na. Ang hirap na bumawi na sa malalim. No, matagal pa makabawi and you have to wait for that time pa naman to make bawi, and then sometimes I do not like do revenge trade. Mag-aantay pa ako ng ilan days or weeks sometimes, no? Right. Ito yung like pending pa to ha. So wala pa yan. So alisin natin to. Pending trade lang naman yan. So there's no point of putting any lot size. Hindi pa naman natatamaan. Now, what happened here is while we're having the webinar, meron din ako isang posisyon, sell stop, 1798.60, right? Which is tinamaan na. Ayan, 1798.60. I don't know if you're seeing this, guys. Ayan, 7. Huwag natin pakita yung mga record. Kaya. Alright. Ito, 1798.60. Stop loss at 1806. Take profit at 1795.71. Nagka 289.00 tayo. Punta tayo sa calculator. Okay. $100 yung nilagay ko dyan na pending kanina. So, TP na siya. Nag-open trade and then suddenly nag-TP. Bakit? Dito ko nilagay yung position natin, 1798. Tinamaan siya kanina and then we estimate the take profit somewhere here. Kung balik tayo sa trading view ha, tingnan natin sa trading view. Ayan o, dito dapat kanina yun. Ayan. So, tinamaan siya. Nag-take profit tayo dito. Ayan. Diba, nagsasaksa siya? Itong ano na to. Ayan. Tinamaan yung take profit natin, 1798. Pero, if ever na hindi naman tinamaan, may stop loss naman siya na calculated din naman. Kung bumalik siya ng, kung sell, mahirap, sa sell talaga, tight lang yung allowed ko sa sell na tolerance ko pag nag-sell ako position. Naglalagay talaga ako ng stop loss regardless kung matamaan or matamaan niya agad, hindi ko na siya ini-extend. Doon na lang talaga kasi si gold talaga bumabalik siya kung saan siya galing na price, na ano yung pinakamataas na price, binabalikan niya. So, I just really like to do a tight trade lang pagdating ng sell position or sell bias. So, kanina, guys, again, tinamaan 289 yung profit natin, which is correct. Nagka 289 tayo. There you go. So, hindi ako natakot if ever mag-expose ng 740, tinamaan ng 1806, that's good. And then yung risk ratio ang layo. 3:1, grabe no? Almost 3:1 yan. Let's just say 4:1. Parang sugal, pero hindi. Calculated po yan. Again, bakit ako nagposisyon doon kanina? Kasi alam ko magagrab to ng liquidity pag tinamaan. Somewhere dito siya magbabounce back. And knowing that this is a range somewhere on this part. Pakita ko lang. Yan. So dito, tatagal siya. Or kung magbabasag man, good. Pag hindi, pag nag-bounce back, at least naka-take profit na ako. Na-identify ko yung take profit zone ko. And may pera na tayo, 289. That's good for tonight. Right? Yun lang. I was like preparing it. I was not expecting na tatamaan siya. I thought it will happen. Matatapos na natin yung webinar. So, will the risk management really affect your trade plans? Yes, it is a lot. Very much. Kasi malalaman mo kung hanggang saan kaya ng account. Alright? Kung hanggang saan pwede abutin ang account or yung limit ng account mo if you do this ahead of time prior to placing your position. Okay? And then you will know where to stop and you will know where to take profit. So, this is very important. Part din yan ng trading plan. Ayan na. Kung kanina, kung nakita ko lang, siguro, there will be a chance na magiging greedy ako. Kasi nga, it will possibly break. Pero para sa akin, if it breaks, that's good na. Kasi part of the trading plan dito lang talaga. And then calculated na yan. Huwag mo nang habulin. Tama na. Hindi rin ibig sabihin na nakita ko, like for example, one of you guys, so this already, natamaan na yung posisyon na to. Then nakita, uy, natamaan na kay Sir Jan. Gagayahin ko siya. Pag-place mo ng trade, andito na yung price. Hindi ka naman magpa-profit ng the same profit sa akin. Kasi again, I already planned this according to the risk that I'll be exposing and the reward that I'll be expecting. And already been calculated kung kakayanin ng account o hindi. So that is very important. No? Plan talaga siya. I-plan nyo talaga and then come up with your risk management plan. If you want to get this calculator, I can share it to you guys. Walang problema yon. It's applicable to any of your trading whatever trades that you're doing right now. It's applicable. Pwede niyo i-edit, pwede niyo i-modify. It's up to you. But it's really working kasi knowing that you will see ang limit ng account mo kung hanggang saan pwede ang account kayang abutin. And then if you can like hold on to the trade, hold mo lang kasi babalik naman at babalik yan. Walang trade na hindi babalikan. Meron. Imposibleng hindi siya babalik. It may not now, it may not tomorrow, it may not on the next day, but it will go back, especially sa gold trading. So, I hope that this webinar is able to give you a lot of learning, especially dun sa trading, planning your trade, and then together with your risk management plan as well or strategy. Always make sure na magte-take note kayo sa mga positions ninyo and where do you want to go and how much would you like to expose, what's the limit, and what would be your expectations sa TP or profit mo. So I hope this helped. Thank you so much for tonight. Your questions are now open. Go ahead, please. Were you able to follow, guys? I hope mayroon ka natutunan na kung meron kayong gustong pabalikan, pwede natin balikan. Go ahead, please. Hello? Are you guys still with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Which part of this that gusto nyong balikan, gusto nyong i-rediscuss natin para mas klaro? Doon sa end part ng simulation, ng actual, sa calculator, sa positions, and how you will calculate your risk, parang ganon. What do you want? Like, you have any questions? Nahihiya ba kayo, guys? Huwag kayong mahiya. Ang nahihiyang magtanong, you will be having problem sa trading. Magtanong kayo. I am willing to answer and help you. Sige sa chat. Tingnan natin. There you go. How to modify risk management sa MT4 po ba? What do you mean by that, Sir Floyd? Are you talking about your stop loss or your take profit? Kung saan mo saan mo isi-set yung okay, sige po. Yeah. If you have an existing trade sa MT4, alam nyo, madidiscuss din natin to sa Friday. But anyways, I'm gonna show it to you. If you wanted to modify and add the stop loss like this is a stop loss 1770. Nakalagay dun sa calculator ko 1775 no, hindi updated. Nag-extend ako down to 1770 kasi nga nakita natin kanina na pwede niyang basagin ang 1775 kaya na-extend pala ako ng 1770, sorry. So kung gusto niyo i-modify, punta lang kayo doon sa trade terminal and then highlight that specific trade, right click and then modify. And then this is where the stop loss, kung saan ayaw nyo nang lumaki yung drawdown nyo, cut nyo na and mawawala na yun. It's a learning already. And then this will be the take profit. And once you have already added your take profit, let's just say 1825. Bakit hindi ko nilagyan ng take profit yan? Since nag-dip na siya ng ganun kalalim, pag bumalik dyan, hayaan ko na. Pero pag nakakita na ako ng almost, like I'm expecting near to 100% na, or near to 300% or somewhere 600 na profit, okay na ako doon. That is part. Sa akin talaga, 300% profit, okay na ako doon, no? Or somewhere, let's just say, kikitain ko yung nag-expose ako ng 300. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, somewhere 600 sa akin, okay na ako doon. No, ayoko nang intayin or sometimes nagte-trail stop din ako pag inabot niya. Now, I will talk more about the trail stop on Friday, pero answering Sir Floyd. Yes, dito po, balikan natin. Highlight mo lang yung trade. Yung running trade po, ha, wag yung yeah, you can also modify your pending trade if you like to. Pero the same process lang po. Just have to click it, right click and then modify. Then once you have already successfully modified it, lagyan natin ng 1825 na take profit to. Once you're done, just click this, modify. There you go. It will show up. Take profit 1825. Right, you're welcome, Sir Floyd. Anyone? Next question, please. Anybody? Next question? So chat. You can do chat. If you don't want to use your microphone, go ahead. Oh, by the way, I'd just like to add on, guys. Since natamaan na yung sell stop natin, nag-profit na tayo, I'm gonna close down my buy stop. Ayoko na mag-trade. Enough na yun. Labas na tayo. Go back sa calculator mo. Like, you can remove that position. You can remove that pending. That's all. Wala. Zero out mo na siya. Nag-profit na tayo, di ba? Nag-profit na tayo ng 289. What more can you ask for sa 289 na yan? Sa gabi na to, di ba? Okay na yan. That's dollar quoted. Next question, please. Anybody? Somebody like to ask question? Wala na? Ay, good evening, Sir Zaid. Sino yun? Ako magtatanong. Sige guys, ako magtatanong. Okay. Are you ready? Doon tayo sa trading plan question. Ano kaya yung magandang question? I don't have any question to you guys kasi more on experience and reality talaga yung diniscuss ko and been there talaga. Sige, ito na lang. What do you think, kung sino makapag-answer nito, just raise your hand. Or, lang, mayroon nag-chat. Ayun. Wala ba kayong question? Did you guys able to follow what we discussed, what we have talked tonight? Or gusto niyo ng charting?
Nagkakayaan mo yan.
Sir Mar, ikaw na lang. Go ahead. Any questions, Sir Mar? Sir Belguera, may tanong ka? I hope the risk management part, sir, may ano ka? Sino yun?
Wala, sir.
Wala, sige.
Sir Norris, hello, good evening.
There you go. Miss AJ, go ahead.
Yeah, with all of the attendees that we have tonight, we actually really appreciate your time, spending it with us, and also, Sir Norris, you deliver and facilitate this webinar very good with realistic approach, and also with those attendees that we have at the moment, guys. The reason why nagtatanong si Sir Norris is for us, of course, to know if you were able to get those ideas, or if you have some other ideas and suggestions as well that could help a lot with other attendees that we have at the same time. But anyway, Sir Norris, I guess wala naman na silang tanong. So on behalf of Sky Alliance, guys, we look forward that we can do partnership with you, and also expect us from our end that we will provide those learnings, so we will improve and improve. And just to note with you guys that our advocacy and goal is actually to help ang real approach ng Forex, guys. Kasi natatag siya, nag-research siya lagi na ang Forex is parang instant rich quick scheme. Is not that, guys. The best questions for me na kailangan kong itanong towards my clients, towards with you guys, is not how much profit you are aiming, but of course, ask to yourself how much risk or out of your total capital, magkano yung kaya mong i-risk doon. Same goes with other businesses, guys. Same goes with, like for example, a sari-sari store. That's the basic example that I can give. Sa sari-sari store, ROI natin is hindi natin alam actually kung kailan, but we have time frame for that na 5 to 6 months. Pero after 5 to 6 months, ang nangyayari lang actually is bayad utang lang siya. The maximum capital for those retail investors is actually 50,000 pesos, which is $1,000 capital. Pero kung iisipin natin, guys, sa pag-put up ng sari-sari store at the moment, $1,000 is not good enough. So, at the moment, guys, before you go into Forex, what we want here is a real and direct approach. We don't want any sugar coating. Kasi at the end of the day, we want those people to go do business with us with proper understanding. Kasi that's how it really works. Kasi guys, if you don't have that understanding on what investment you are into, it's also hard on our part, of course, to see you reach that goal to be profitable. So I guess that's all for tonight, and that's from my end, Sir Norris. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Miss AJ. By the way, guys, I forgot to introduce Miss AJ. She is our Asia Pacific Country Manager of Sky Alliance Philippines. And you know what, guys? I don't know. Pag siya na yung nagsasalita, iba yung dating talaga. I don't know. She really has a lot of we have a lot of big clients that I did not imagine how they were able to be part of Sky Alliance, but knowing that grabe yung we deliver in Sky Alliance kasi wala tayong mga sugar coating na yeah, you have guarantee you'll get this and like that. We really want to make sure na lalo na ako, when I do a webinar, I don't like more on into like I want to share my experience. I don't want to like follow the module that I received. Like today, yun nga, medyo may a little bit of confusion on the title, but it's okay. I was able to catch up naman. So, I just wanted you to understand that in Forex trading, there's no such thing as instant talaga. It should be planned well and make sure that you understand what you're doing. Even in the crypto group that are here, I know, isa lang naman yung talagang goal nyo, to make money. And some of this goal are able to happen, and some of this are hindi naman. Well, that's part. And then just to remind you, that's very important to always remind yourself that you have to really put up a good trading plan, disciplina, and the risk management, of course. Alright? And then, by the way, I have one quick question. May nagtanong dito. Somebody asked na kung pwede ba daw, Coach, if we can provide a trading signals sa mga newbies. Guys, for me, like trading signals, yung trading, sinabi ko na to, I don't know if somebody can recall, yung trading signals kasi, it's more on to like, it's just like galing lang sa technical analysis yun eh. And if you follow trading signals, it's still not gonna be like 100% going to happen. It's still just a probability. Again, Forex is probability. There's no such thing as guaranteed. Pag binigyan ka ng signal, yun na yun. It might still go against on that signal's favor, or it will go on that on whatever the signal is going. Para sa akin, yeah, I will just give you technical analysis and charting and the zone. But then there is always a disclaimer that you have to remind yourself, no? Yung binibigay kong disclaimer lagi sa huli, na everything can change without prior notice. But then those are the zone that would possibly be touched by the price market. Like yung ginawa natin kanina. 'Di ba? Nagpending lang ako sa sell, nag-sell stop lang ako, tinamaan siya. So from my technical analysis. And that was also part of like it happened around somewhere, papasok ng 8 p.m. Somewhere there. No? Nangyari siya. So, yun lang yun. Kung sasabihin yung signal, yes, I will be more than happy and willing to provide technical analysis. And I will remind myself to do it more frequent. And hopefully, makafollow din kayo sa every morning na YouTube technical analysis natin live and Facebook. By the way, signals, I consider is technical analysis and zone, and I will provide you that. Sir, my favorite trader, Sir Juan Miguel, thank you for that question, sir. Very good, sir. Yeah, don't worry. We will be more active in giving you technical analysis and charting. Kasi kung signal yung ibibigay namin, magdidepend na lang kayo sa signal. Hindi na kayo magcha-chart, hindi na kayo magti-TA, technical analysis, and no more fundamental understanding analysis. More on into place na lang kayo ng pending. I would rather guys want to see you more learning rather than mag-antay lang. But again, Sir Juan Miguel, thank you for helping the newbies, sir. And whoever that newbies is, expect that Sir Juan Miguel will be able to guide you the rest of the trading, and congratulations sa nakakatakot yung trade mo. Yun lang masasabi ko. You have a very ang taas ng appetite mo, grabe. Kung i-explain ko, grabe naman yung risk reward na kinukuha mo. And congratulations for that attitude, sir. You're really improving. Just keep on stepping up and make sure that if you improve, don't forget to share the knowledge. Sir Juan Miguel, thank you. Anybody?
I will, sir.
Alright. Anybody? Ako motivate ko lang kayo. Sir Juan Miguel is one of my trader, one of our partner. When he Sir, hindi kita pina-flatter ha, pinapalaki yung ulo mo, hindi ha. I just wanted to do a testimony sa kanya ba. Totoo to eh. When he first talked to me, he doesn't have any background at all, not even how to set up the MT4. Dito lang, when we met up at the office, like I have my own office, yun. As in, walang talaga, nahihirapan pa siya. But then suddenly, he started doing a copy trade and then started learning. And honestly, hindi ko pa siya na-supervise ng grabe katutok ha. Tutok na supervision. Wala. And then, the moment that I saw him improving, like, why is this happening? Yun pala, he is really like, I don't know what are his trading plans, but nakikita ko the consistency of guarding his trades and knowing and understanding where the possible price market going. And gusto ko nga, one day, he will be part of my live stream and get some point of view on what he's doing on his actual trade. Why not? He can do a simulation. That can also motivate everyone. Again, Sir Juan Miguel is a man in uniform. And thank you for your service, Sir Juan Miguel. Thank you for your service, for protecting us. Especially during night time, natutulog kami, kayo, nagtatrabaho, mga police. Thank you so much. Yun lang. Don't stop. Don't limit yourself. You wanted to learn. Go lang kayo doon sa mga tinuturo. Just learn what we are sharing here, not because we are reading it, but those things that we share is based on experience, lalong-lalo na sa akin. Alright, much better mag-share na lang po ng fundamental analysis, sir. Fundamental analysis, yeah. When you say fundamental, you're talking about news. Fundamental analysis, I always remind everyone that you can always go to forexfactory.com. And you can do filter here, whatever you wanted to know on that specific word today or next month. What will be the possible news next month? There will be tendencies na yung next month, advanced filter mo yung next month. There will be possibilities mag-change pa siya. But more on to this week ako, current talaga ako kung mag-filter ako. And then only specific currency yung tinitingnan kong mga news. Alright, just to correct, fundamental analysis is from the news. That is from Forex Factory. That is fundamental analysis. If you're talking about technical analysis, that would be the charting using your MT4 or your price chart. Sir Mark Emmanuel Valiente. Don't worry, sir. I'll be providing daily, intraday, insight, technical analysis, and fundamental. Sky Alliance will be providing, not me. Sky Alliance will be providing it to you, sir. Through me or through other coaches. Does anyone able to follow? Wala na tayong question. Would like to add more question? You're welcome, Sir Manuel. Mark Emmanuel. Any additional question? Kung wala na, alright. You're most welcome, Sir Juan Miguel. Glory to God, sir. Thank you also din sa effort mo. And anybody, wala na? Sige, siguro meron tayong, I don't know if this will work out. Parang hindi eh. Pero, if whoever who will ever go, kung sino ang makakabalik sa inyo on Friday, doon na lang ako. May sinabi ba ako mamigay ako ng GCash ngayon kahit 250 lang? Miss AJ, would it okay that I ask them something? Kung makapag-answer sila, I will give them something. Andyan pa ba si Miss AJ? Wala na, nag-out na. I would ask for approval. Sir Mark Dane, would that be okay?
For me, it's okay.
Okay, sige. At para naman so ready na kayo? Kung may tatanungin ako, dapat masagot niyo ha. Masagot niyo, okay? Based naman to dun sa natin eh. Based naman to sa na-discuss ko kanina. Alright, just worth of 250 pesos GCash. Konti lang naman yun. What are those things that risk management what are those two major things na dapat may para malaman natin yung teka lang. What are those things that we need to know kung gagawa tayo ng risk management? What are those two important things na dapat nating iset kung saan tayo mag-out and mag-in? May term doon, dalawang term yon. Yung exit, sasabihin ko na, clue. Exit and then yung entry mo at saka yung exit mo. Parang ganon. Or where do you wanna stop? What are those? May specific term dun eh. So, alright, thank you. Good answer. New Fami and Kahas, thank you for the answer. Nauna siya sa message, guys, ha. Next question. Okay, Ma'am Ann Kahas, just message me on Facebook and send me your GCash. Congratulations. Thank you. You won 250 pesos GCash. On to the next question. I want you to answer it via your microphone. Wag sa chat. Alright? Nakalimutan ko. Wag sa chat para fair tayo. Alright. Next. Right. What will be our next question? Anybody can give me at least one trading plan structure. Marami akong na-mention na structure kanina sa trading plan or trade mechanics. Marami.
Technical analysis?
Technical analysis is part of the tool. Saan siya nabilong? Teka lang ha. Balikan natin. Check ko. Hold on.
You do your own research and plan according to your needs.
Paki-repeat po.
Do your own research and plan according to your needs.
Ayan. Congratulations po, Sir Mark Emmanuel. Thank you for that answer. It's almost near to do your homework. That's part of the trading plan structure. Tama po. Do your own research. Congratulations for winning 250 pesos GCash po. Just message me on Facebook and send me your GCash. Thank you. Yun na yun. Norris Cardinales. You can just add me, sir. You can just message me right after this. Alright, thank you for tonight, guys. That would be all on Friday. Mamimigay ako, ba't iba na yung mamimigay si Sky Alliance, hindi ako. Si Sky Alliance yung namimigay ng at least that would make you guys reminded that Sky Alliance will not just do business, but we will be making sure that you're not just gonna be clients, but you're our business partners. Ang hirap naman ng clients. Business partner tayo, guys. We're doing business here. Alright? And hindi naman tayo nagdo-do ng business na na wala tayong nalalaman. We are also helping you to learn more about forex trading and what other opportunities that forex trading can bring you. Malay mo hindi lang sa trading may opportunity. There's a lot of opportunities pa aside from getting a profit from your forex trading. And we can talk more about that once may hinahanda akong lessons, and I will approach you guys if you really deserve for that opportunities. All right? Thank you so much for tonight. Thank you so much, Sky Alliance. All the coaches that are here, Coach Summer, Coach Mark Dane, Coach Migs. Guys, you can approach anybody on Sky Alliance. And hi, Ma'am Mimi Dallas. Thank you so much for joining. I'm so sorry. Ngayon ko lang nakita yung pangalan mo. I hope you were able to follow in everything that I have discussed tonight. And sa lahat ng XRP Army, crypto traders down there, and see you on Friday, MT4 navigation tayo. Make sure to be there. And tomorrow, don't forget to join Forex 101. It will add up more knowledge and understanding what is Forex trading about. And if whatever trading you're doing, it can still add more knowledge on how you will able to continue and to be a successful trader in the near future. Or I don't know, maybe tomorrow or next week magiging successful trader kayo. There's always success in trading eh. Thank you so much guys. Good night. Good night. Good night.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you, Coach.
Welcome. Nagdangag na sad ko, wala ko nag-record. Buguan ako, oy. It's forward. Nabuang.